Hi, and welcome to HIPAA Compliance for Startups. You've worked hard to get your startup company up and running. You've hired your staff, you've set up your payroll, and secured your office space. But just when you think you've done everything you need to do to launch your business, you learn your company must also be HIPAA compliant. If you're wondering what a HIPAA compliant office space means for you and the future of your startup, you're not alone. Startups tend to be software-based in nature, and because of this, they are often in a bit of an unusual situation when it comes to HIPAA. As a software-centered business, you may be handling the PHI, protected health information, of thousands of patients as part of your day-to-day practices. The thought of being responsible for so much private information can be overwhelming, but it is critical that you have all the technological tools and physical protections necessary to make sure that any PHI remains secure. To be HIPAA compliant, you must complete an annual risk assessment, implement policies, train employees, and secure business associate agreements with any individuals or organizations who might share PHI with your business or vice versa. In addition, you must make sure that all information in your care is protected and encrypted. When all is said and done, attaining HIPAA compliance means your business can move forward and you can be confident in knowing that you've accomplished all of the necessary tasks outlined in the law. It also means that you'll be playing an important role in safeguarding PHI. Compliancy Group can help your startup with everything it needs to get HIPAA compliant quickly and easily. Visit our website for more info.